Fears tell me I'll never win. My body's wearing thin.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm out here in California. We're about to go to Yosemite Park. We're gonna make some fire content. But before that, we're about to go. We're about to get a fire haircut. Boom!
Man, look at this, boy. I am too crisp right now. I'm not photogenic, okay? So...
It's smaller. I put all of the other.
Baby, we were beautiful. The sun admits to Phoebe, you're alive. We were so invincible. Didn't see the target on our heart.
Good morning. We're about to go eat breakfast and then go out here, find us a trail, make some fire content, put some pictures out. Let's get it.
Take him back, take back what is ours. We'll start by pulling the life out of stars, like they were gunning us down. Our side of the story is painted.
We're up about 2 miles in the trail. I am so tired. I'm not bringing this camera bag anymore. But I don't know what we're gonna see up there. We'll find out.
It's painted white.
What's up, y'all? So, I know some of y'all are asking what camera gear I'm using. So I'm using the Canon EOS R with the 15 to 35 millimeter f2.8 L lens and a Sennheiser boom microphone to get the audio crisp, you know what I'm saying? I'm shooting in C-Log and it's color graded with my LUT that I made. Y'all can buy it, $9.99, not playing.
Our side of the story is painted white. Baby, we were beautiful.
Who I smoke
Hey.
tonight, and now I wonder where
Hey, hey.
Anthony. Hey, now, did you hear the diss song back?
Burning everything I know.
got the kimchi burger, and I just had the green chili cheeseburger. She was the one that had the kimchi burger. He got the Wisconsin burger. He got the California burger. We both got the strawberry shake. He got another shake, and we both got the secret sauces, and we both got the garlic fries. And the total of everything is $46.25.
For yours, ours was $40. So
Wait, why?
because you got the extra shake.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Just you know what? Why don't we just walk ours? Walk ours.